I came to Davis Scholar, I had the debt of credit card debt, car loan debt, payday loans. It was stressful because you can only stretch your money so much. My name is Crystal and I'm from Oshawa. So when we decided to separate, me and my ex, he didn't want to help me pay off our debt that we accumulated together. I tried to do it myself, but I am a single mom of two, so it's a little difficult. I just needed some way to make my credit get better. They were awesome. They helped me. They sat down with me and made sure I understood everything. They offer you a debt consolidation counseling session, so you are able to get yourself out of debt and keep yourself out of debt. We're able to do more things, go do more traveling, do little road trips more because I have that extra cash that I maybe didn't have before when I was in the debt. One of the main things that I have learned is to teach financial aid and stuff to my children so that they are able to better themselves when they get older. I'm feeling more financially stable just because I am getting rid of this debt. It is a big lift off of my shoulders. I can see a better future for me and my kids. Yeah.